After watching this video, you'll become a master of using Alligator Indicator. I'll share my many years experience of working with it right here in this video. One of my favorite strategies, and you're going to learn why now. Ready to start an exciting journey? Let's get started. Hello, my dear friends. You'll likely be shocked if I tell you that you've been trading on Alligator Indicator wrong for your whole life. Yes, in this video, I'll tell you which mistakes 90% of traders do while trading on this indicator, and I'll share my huge experience because this indicator is one of the first indicators thanks to which I started making really big money. And of course, besides this indicator, we also need a strategy, and in this video, I'll tell you about features of understanding the market which will allow you, combined with this indicator, close 7-8 deals out of 10 in a profit. And these are real sums. Yes, you can achieve them if you watch this video attentively and practice after that. So, first of all, we need to apply indicator. It's very easy to do. We open indicators panel in the left upper corner on our favorite platform. All of the links are in the description. We click indicator, and what matters the most is managing it. Here we change nothing. The basic inputs are very good. And for better understanding, we'll do just one thing. Look, quick line is a green line. It's 1 point thick and green as well. We'll make the second line thicker, 2 points, and the blue line is the thickest. It will be 3 points thick. Indicator consists of 3 lines with different periods, so there's such a thing that while downtrends or uptrends, all of the lines are moving carefully together with each other. And as soon as the trend is changed, the lines intersect. So the quick line dives below or dives out of the slow line, and thanks to that, the trends changed. We have 2 types of signals today. The first one will be trading from those lines as from zones of interest, support or resistance zones. And the second type will be catching the market's reverse. All of those signals are working out same good, so we'll act on situation. The next very important moment, please keep it in mind that we're trading with not a standard expiration time. So I have 30 seconds set, this is the time of candles formation, and 1 minute is the time of the deal. So in general, the time of the deal must be 2-3 times bigger than the time of one candle. So you can trade in a more reliable way, of course. Just set M5 candle and set 15 or 10 minutes as the time of the deal. So this will be really good, just perfect, let's say. But as for me, as I'm recording a video for you and I want all of my deals to be as quick as possible, so I'm using the quick time frame M1, as we usually do. But don't forget, we need to make the time of one candle's formation 2-3 times less. Right here. Now, let's find an appropriate chart for analytics. This is a very important part as well, as there are a lot of charts not suitable for trading. For example, we see this chart. Why it doesn't suit us? Well, first of all, we're analyzing how indicator interacts with the chart. We see there's the false exit out of indicators, and in this area, there are a lot of excessive intersections as there's no clear sight. Same thing here, trends change was supposed to happen here from downward to upward, but instead, the market is moving in such a flat, and because of that, on Alligator Indicator, a huge number of indicators happen. Intersections, we don't need them, it's impossible to trade, and because of that we don't take this chart. We're looking for the charts that we need to trade on. Please search for such cases only. Guys, look, we found some really good case. We can safely trade here and make 8 deals out of 10 profit. Look, there's a clear trend here, and before that we had an uptrend. Now it's a downtrend. What I like here is that the chart never leaves the blue line's borders. So the blue line, the main one, the most essential line is in these places, it's a support. Well, in this converge place, orange line is a support. We also see the quick green line is a support, but when the trends changed, we're testing the blue line a lot, and this line is some kind of resistance. So right here, we could trade it with lower and close several good deals. Well, it was a fake breakthrough, of course. So what conclusion we can make here in this chart? Firstly, we need a slowly evolving wave-shaped chart, which sometimes touches our moving average, but it rolls back then. Well, it's a pretty good moment now. We see we already had 2 touches, and in general, we can try to open a deal as soon as the chart catches the blue line up. So guys, we found the next pretty good currency. I'm waiting for a confirmation to enter a deal with lower. And as such a confirmation, there must be an intersection of orange and blue lines. So we see the green line is already below the blue one and orange line is not yet. Maybe we'll leave this trading range now and keep moving up, It's possible too, though this is a little weird. It means this chart, this indicator's period is not very correct and suitable. Though, if we point attention to the previous part of the chart, it looks fine here in general. We have an intersection right here and rollbacks of the chart from the blue line, from our indicator. And here, and here are intersections which we could use as signals for a deal with lower. But now it happens that the market emerges from under the blue line. It was likely such a fall breakthrough of these moving averages, which delayed a little, but as right here, right now, we're fixated above the blue, yellow, orange and green lines, so all of the 3 lines, I can suppose the market will keep its uptrend. 30 seconds left, let's just wait and see what will happen. Great, the first deal is here. We'll wait for a rollback and I'm ready to keep trading with higher. So we're waiting for a small retracement. I was observing the market here and I wanted to open a deal with higher from the strong blue line already, but it confused me that this is in fact the first retracement till our moving average and we don't know what would happen in the end. So here we would open deals as we already had something like that on the falling trend. As there is no such thing here yet, it's the first deep retracement, so now we made sure the chart leans to these 3 moving averages. And the next time we reach it, we can open deals from these lines. So we missed a little. I'm waiting for this candle to be fully formed here and we open a bet with higher. As I've already said, such a retracement to these 3 moving average happened again and likely this is a faded phase of uptrend already. There will be likely some distribution which will lead to the trend's change. Because compare the trend's sharpness here when the market is moving in such an inclined with small retracements, and here when retracements are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Sooner or later, it will lead to the trends being changed. But unless we have an opportunity to trade from these 3 moving averages with higher, we do that. Let's close the second deal in a profit and we'll be looking for another chart as the case starts to seem unpleasant now. So the movement is entering the narrow range. There are such a lot of unclear intersections, so here we'll just avoid trading. So guys, we move to the third case. It's all pretty standard here. Just like in the previous 2 cases. The only news is that the trend is downward here, so we're trading with lower. And what do we see? There's the first touch, the second one. We see the third and fourth touches. And what does it mean? It means we can be retraced for the 5th time as well. Well, I mean, we're already retraced for the fifth time, now we're reached again, so I'm waiting for some small retracement. For now, seems there's no reverse coming and we can keep trading with lower. Analyzing the chart for enduring such fluctuations, I can make a conclusion it suits us. It suits for trading even though such a small red candle is formed, but it still allowed us to earn. So, the market is not very good here, but all of the previous cases were fine in general. We could still earn here. What's up here right now? Well, we can wait for the market to break this blue line through, and considering the number of accumulations next to it, the breakthrough is coming for real, and then we're waiting for the green and orange lines to intersect the blue line, and it will be a confirmation of the trend's change then when we can trade with higher. So guys, let's see. Potential fixation of two quick moving averages above the slow one is happening, and as soon as such a candle is formed, we'll enter the market. Moreover, it's such green yet, so we're waiting 3, 2, 1, and we open a deal with higher. Now a confirmation of moving average is confirmed for sure. They're going nowhere. This intersection 100% stays on the chart, and it means that right now it's a good opportunity to open a deal on a new trend. Now this is an official new uptrend, or at least retracement till this fall. What's going to happen in the end doesn't matter, what matters is the deal in 30 seconds to be higher than in the place we opened it at. As you see, for now the market is moving according to the plan. For now, let's wait and see. Indeed, not a very pleasant case. We opened 2 more deals with higher. For now, we're still higher than the blue moving average. And it means our plan is valid. Pretty weird movement is happening on the market, but nevertheless, after such sharp manipulations, we still keep our growth. So we cover the previous loss with these 2 deals and we earn more than that. Let's look for the next profitable case. So guys, recently full intersection of 3 moving average happened. We can open a deal with higher here, I think, as recently the red line appeared below the blue one and fixated below it. So there was such an aggressive uptrend here, so the fall is supposed to be not less aggressive. We had some small touches of the green line here. In general, we could be catching this signal, but as there was a sharp breakthrough and I'm expecting a fall now, as all of that is officially confirmed new downtrend. So we opened the deal with lower only. We're waiting for the result. So guys, there was no rapid fall for sure, but the deal is closed in a profit. We see how we tested this green line once again, so maybe either from it or from the next reactions will start falling completely. Anyway, today's trading session was pretty good. I'm really satisfied with it, and I hope I managed to show you how Alligator Indicator works. Be sure to point attention to the main things in trading, and especially for those who understand nothing but want to earn as well. Today I'll run a free trading session in my Telegram channel, so follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment and we'll meet in my free trading session today. Bye bye!